Oh man guys, what is going on today? D-Create here, back with another video. This is going to be part 3 of building this loft for the creator cave. Right now we're working on the process of putting some stairs in here. I'm thinking about doing some foldable stairs, so it's gonna be kind of different. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but we're gonna try it. I kind of cleaned up a little bit, pushed the car over some more, and I also added some things. I installed some magnetic lights and they won't come on right now, but let me go ahead and close the door so it can get darker in here. Now granted, the light is still on up here, but it is darker underneath here. And there you go. So I got some lights down here, so whenever I put my toolboxes down here, I'll be able to see them. But let's go ahead and work on these stairs. I'm going to try to explain this the best possible way I can, which is probably not great, but here we go. So I bought these already made steps. I forgot what they're called, but here they are. They already cut out for steps. I have one like that. The other one is going to be like this. This side is, of course, upside down. But why do I have it like that? I'm planning on making some foldable stairs. All I had to do is raise this up and it'll just be on the wall like that. But I can already tell you I already ran into a problem. These are 5 steps. It's not tall enough. So I'm probably going to end up having to use one of these as a template to cut a bigger piece of wood. So I'm getting ready to cut this wood, and I just keep on hearing something in my head, just put on my safety glasses. My wife and her friend told me that if I don't put on my safety glasses, they'll just beat me up. There you go. You happy? All right guys, so now we got this side of the stairs done. It's now time to put the hinges in, and not gonna lie, I don't know how safe this is gonna be now. I got these off of Amazon and they're not as big as I thought they was going to be. So we're gonna try it anyway and see what happens. So if I fall through these, well, you're just gonna get a laugh. Now that you can see how I'm doing this, I'm going to flip this over and we are going to do the same thing to this piece right here. Here's a better visual of what I'm trying to do. All right, so I got to do a little bit of adjusting. I got to add some footers, some adjustment down at the bottom, and figure out how I'm gonna mount it to the wall. But here's the stairs. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of sketchy. I might have to do a re-update version of these stairs. You're about to see it first. Let's see if it actually works. I'm pretty nervous, but this is the first steps on this, and let's just see if I fall through it. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's enough of that right there. The stairs didn't collapse. Whew. Oh boy. Yeah, the stairs didn't collapse. It just moved because it's not anchored down. It's not anchored down on anything. So it's just here. So now I guess I'm just gonna just go ahead and clear this because I am not. Oh boy. I'm putting all my weight up here on top. Okay. All right, guys, I'm good. I'm good. That was enough excitement. Now I have all this room right here, so I can walk, move, do what I need to do, and I can pull the stairs down if I need to go up to the loft. All I gotta do is grab it. And of course, this will be easier if it's bolted down. I'm also gonna add some hydraulic shocks on here so it won't be so hard for me to raise up and pull down. Yeah, that's the idea of it. Pretty cool, right? Now, let me go ahead and get started on the floors. I went ahead and did some exercise puzzle mats. Something simple, something easy. It took me a minute to realize there's a different end on this. Let me show you real quick. So that side is the same, but if you go down here, you see how it's made differently? So I was kind of confused because some of the pieces wasn't working, and I realized, oh yeah, it was because of a different end piece. All right, so the floor is down. I didn't finish on this side yet because, for one, it's going to take a little bit longer for me to cut out the pieces, and two, I'm debating on if I want to do something else along here because I still got to mess with the stairs a little bit, so I got to figure that out before I start laying the flooring all the way down. It's going to look good up here. And this is the other side. Also, I didn't think I needed this, but this actually helped out very well, especially the spots that keep lifting up. Like if it had like a little bubble in it or something like that, like it wasn't laying down flat. I just sprayed some of this on there, some of the Gorilla Glue on there, and then laid it down, and it allowed the floor to actually lay down all the way flat instead of bubbling up in different places. So yeah, that definitely worked out. I'm glad I got some Gorilla Glue. And I already know there's gonna be a couple people that's talking about this saying, you're not doing this right, it's not gonna last, I'm not a professional, okay? I know some of the stuff that I've done, the stairs, it's probably not gonna work out the way I think it's gonna work out. But the idea is there. So now all I have to do is work on it and perfect it. Click on this video right here to watch more videos on me creating the creator cave. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.